Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So in the last tutorial I have explained about the event binding in detail. What kind of events are there, how many events are there and how you can attach with the button and link. So I'll share the link in the description box so you guys can check out later. So before proceeding to this tutorial on the pipe, you can follow me on the Instagram and Facebook. So on my Facebook page, I keep posting the notification regarding job on data science, Python, Angular, .NET, Java. So please follow me my page on the Facebook and Instagram, and also subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my upcoming videos. So let's go to the pipe and understand what we can do using pipe. See, when we talk about the pipe, it's like we are formatting the data or we are formatting some inputs into other format. First example, let's take the first example. If you have any text, any string that need to be converted in some specific format, whether it is in a small case and you want to convert into uppercase and vice versa. So this can be achieved very easily using pipe. Second example is that if you have a number or you want to add the currency symbol of a particular country, this can also be achieved very easily in Angular using pipe. Third, if you have date in some format and you want to convert into some specific format, this can also be achieved very easily in Angular. We don't need to write logic at API level or at database level. This can done very easily at front end level. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code and I will create one example. So this is the default structure where app component is the default component and app module is the default module. So we'll be doing coding on the this HTML default HTML. So let's close all the other file. So here I'll define one div, and this div will contain some text. So let's take this text only, title, and I will bind using interpolation. I have explained the interpolation concept in my one of my previous tutorial. I will also share the link of how to bind or what is the one-way binding or interpolation. So let's save it and let's run this application and we'll see what kind of result we will see on the browser. And let's go to the browser and see what are the pipe that is Angular provided by default. So if you open the angular.io, which is the default official website of Angular, so if you scroll down, you will see there are lots of format of a date. If you put short, it will convert into some specific format. There are lots of format and lots of pipe related with the dates are there. So you can use and check out what kind of output it will give. So this is very interesting. So I'll share the link of this particular date pipe in the description box. So let me go to the Visual Studio and check if it is compiled or not. It's compiling. Let's wait for at least I think 4 or 5 seconds. So it's compiled successfully. Let's go to the browser and open localhost 4200. Okay, what is the port? It's 4200. Okay, so we need to say 4200. Now it's bind. Okay, whatever the variable value hold. Now if this same output that needs to be changed into uppercase, then what we have to do is very easy. Put this pipe and type uppercase and save it. So if you'll see the output, all the character in this text or a string, it convert into the uppercase. And same, if I type here lowercase and save it, you will see every character in this string will change into lowercase. It's very easily. We have not written any logic at API level or anywhere. It's just the feature of Angular. So this is very interesting here. So let's take the other example of a currency. So let's take the other div, and inside here I'll mention some number. So that number I'll bring it from TS file. So let's take 100 and equal to. Now this number I will bind here, save it, and using interpolation same way. So let's see what will be the result I will show. Straight away 100. And let's see rupees signature, of which is the symbol of an Indian rupees. So let's use the pipe and type here INR and save it. Okay, 1 second. So we need to add the currency as well. We have to write the currency and then put the colon and save it. Go to the browser, see rupees symbol is added, which is the symbol of an Indian currency. So we can add some more, like if you replace with INR with USD, which is a United States American dollar. So see, dollar signature is added. If we replace USD with Canadian dollar, CA is a Canadian dollar, yeah, and USD, like, or AUD, AED. There are lots of symbol that you can test here. AED, Amirat, Dirham. This is very easily using pipe, and let's change the text or change the format of a date. Now I'm going to take one date format. So let's define some date on the TS file. So let's say date, and here I'll define string format, and we'll assign some like 29th May 2029 21. Copy this variable, put this inside interpolation, and so if you run without pipe, so you will see straight away this text only, and want to change the format. So just put the pipe and say date. So I will use the medium first, save it. See, it's changed into some different format, and there is one more format. Short is there, so let's try this time short. Save it and go to your browser. See, it changed to some short kind of format. So in this way, using Pi, we can achieve this kind of flexibility very easily, and it's just a few lines of, I mean, few lines of code, and you can achieve this kind of flexibility and output. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any question, please mention the question in the comment section. I will definitely answer. And please subscribe this channel and share the link with others, and also press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification. Thank you so much.